everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to enable and boost performance on your CPU and cores. To begin, what we're going to do is write power plan, and as you can see, the edit power plan should come up. From here, what you want to do is make sure that all of these settings are on never. So you turn off display. The turn off display is optional, but just generally put all of these to never, and you want to save changes. From there, it should bring us to here. Now, for many of you, it should be on balanced performance. What we're going to do is go to change advanced power settings once again. And here, as you can see, we have multiple things. So turn off hard disk after on battery minutes. I'm going to turn this to never, and this as well never. From there, what I'm going to do is go down here to processor, power management, and maximum processor state. Make sure these are both set to 100. Then from here, as you can see, it is on balance as of right now. What you want to do is make sure you select ultimate performance or the best performance option you have available. Then we're going to press on apply and press on OK. So that is how to boost your CPU speeds and cores on Windows 10 and 11. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tech tutorials. Also, I would like to say that from now on we're uploading daily videos, so be sure to check us out. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.